Hi, I'm Darnell with Living Recipes, and I've always wondered, what would it be like to air fry an egg in a cast iron pan? Well, I've got a cast iron pan, and I've got an air fryer. I'm going to be using the Bella 4-quart slim air fryer for this. And we're going to see how it turns out, air frying an egg in a cast iron pan in an air fryer. So let's get cooking right now. Alright, so what I've got here is, of course, my little cast iron pan. I've got one large pasture-raised, well, from a pasture-raised chicken egg here. And I've got some extra light olive oil. Don't confuse this with extra virgin or other types of olive oil. It's not the same. It's for high smoke point cooking. But I'll be spraying that into the pan after I get it heated up in the air fryer. So I'm just going to open the air fryer up here and put the pan in this way so it'll be easy to pour the egg in once I'm ready to pour it in. And I'm going to close on up, and I'm going to turn it on. We're going to go to air fry, and I'm going to do a, let's see, 3-minute, because this is going to be kind of like, well, actually I'm going to do 6 minutes, because I'm going to do 3 minutes of preheating and 3 minutes of cooking. And the temperature is going to need to be 350. So we got 350, 6 minutes, 3 for the preheat of the pan, 3 for the cooked egg. We'll see how that turns out. So I'm going to hit start now, and we'll let that pan heat up. Alright, I'm going to spray this pan, and I'm going to get it up out of here to make it easier to pour the egg in it and not break the yolk on the egg. So there we go. Put it in there, close up, and we'll just let that go ahead and finish. Alright, our time is up, and here is our completed air fried cast iron skillet egg. It looks pretty good. So I'm going to take it here and try and get it out of the pan. It's kind of hot, but not too hot. So try and see if it, how easy or hard it is to get it out of this pan now that I've air fried it successfully. But you can air fry it. It's just, maybe my skillet isn't, it's seasoned, but all the same. Yeah, it's coming up. Alright. I think we got it. Yeah, trying to be careful, but still might disturb the yolk, unfortunately. Come on. Alright. Here we go. Yeah, the yolk's disturbed now, but we did air fry our egg in the cast iron skillet. Alright, so thank God we got the egg fried, and so now I'm going to do a quick little taste test of it just to check it out. Let's see. So yeah, decent fried egg, tastes good, and I like mine straight, so if you want to dress it up, that's up to you. But you see that this is achievable and doable. And, doing that cast iron skillet thing gives you the same effect that you might prefer on a, stovetop instead of an air fryer, but you can do it in an air fryer. So, it's pretty nice. And so, in the video description are lots of ways to help the channel. Nothing in this video is sponsored, nothing given to me. I prefer it that way. Also, you can check out my blog, superwaveovenrecipes.com. Again, that's superwaveovenrecipes.com. In the video description, there's things like buy me a coffee, YouTube membership, donations, link to the Amazon shop where you pay the same price, help the channel, all that good stuff. And so, with all of that said, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. You can share it with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe, hit that notification icon, and good eating.